everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affair episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what is the name of India's first IGBC certified eco-friendly zoological park set to open in Himachal Pradesh? Himalayan Wildlife Park, Durgesh Aranya Zoological Park, Kangra Eco Park or Himachal Green Safari? The correct answer is option B, Durgesh Aranya Zoological Park. The park is called Durgesh Aranya Zoological Park and it is recognized as India's first eco-friendly zoological park certified by IGBC. Next question, where has ISRO started India's first analog space mission? Sikkim, Leh Ladakh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands or Kerala? The correct answer is option B, Leh Ladakh. ISRO has chosen Leh Ladakh for the mission due to its terrain and climate, which are similar to Martian and lunar environments. Next question, what is the name of the world's first wooden satellite? WoodSat, Lignosat, TreeSat or TimberSat? The correct answer is option B, Lignosat. The satellite is named Lignosat, derived from the Latin word for wood, reflecting its unique wooden construction. Now next question, by what percentage did the area of glacial lakes across the Himalayan region increase from 2011 to 2024? 5.5%, 10.81%, 20.3% or 15.9%? The correct answer is option B, 10.81%. The area of glacial lakes and other water bodies in the Himalayan region increased by 10.81% due to climate change, indicating a growing risk of glacial lake outburst floods. Next question, who holds the presidency of the International Solar Alliance during current session? France, United States, India or Australia? The correct answer is option C, India. The session is being held under the presidency of India, with France serving as the co-president. Next question, where is the 352nd governing body meeting of the International Labour Organization being held? New York, Paris, Geneva or Berlin? The correct answer is option C, Geneva. The meeting is taking place in Geneva and began on the 28th of last month, continuing until the 7th of this month. Next question, who will be responsible for establishing coordination with state departments and farmers under the Namo drone Didi scheme? Local panchayat committees, lead fertilizer companies, private drone manufacturers or non-governmental organizations? The correct answer is option B, lead fertilizer companies. The lead fertilizer companies will coordinate with various stakeholders, including state departments, drone manufacturers, and farmers. Next question, which country ranked first on the AI Preparedness Index 2023? United States, Denmark, Singapore, or Germany? The correct answer is option C, Singapore. Singapore tops the AI Preparedness Index 2023 with an API score of 0.80, making it the most prepared country for AI adoption. Next question, which regiment of the Indian Army is participating in the Garud Shakti 24 exercise? Rajput Regiment, Sikh Regiment, the Parachute Regiment or Maratha Light Infantry? The correct answer is option C, the Parachute Regiment. The Indian contingent is represented by troops from the Parachute Regiment Special Forces. Last question, what is the name of the typhoon that recently made landfall in Taiwan, causing widespread destruction? Typhoon Hagibis, Typhoon Kong-rey, Typhoon Lekima or Typhoon Fanfon? The correct answer is option B, Typhoon Kong-rey. Typhoon Kong-rey is the name of the storm that caused significant damage and casualties in Taiwan. Now is the time for practice question. Who has been appointed as the new Defense Secretary of India? Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Anil Kumar Jain, Rajesh Kumar Singh or Giridhar Aramane? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.